The temperature drops, the humidity goes down, your layers start to come on, and wait for it, your skin gets drier because the moisture is getting sucked out of your skin so much faster. The skincare you use through the year might be great, but it might not be great for the winter. And this means only one thing. It's time to bring out the big guns. Let's talk about cleansing. While I like to use vitamin C or niacinamide based cleansers throughout the year, for winter I like to use a glycerin based one. Why a glycerin based one, you ask? Well, glycerin is not just a brilliant ingredient to nourish and moisturize your skin, but it's also great to help retain that moisture in your skin for longer. Gentle but effective. The Forest Essentials Mashobra Honey Lemon and Rose Water Cleanser also has honey, coconut and saffron. Ingredients that nourish, soothe and soften dry winter skin. When it comes to toner, I want something I can apply with a cotton pad, making this simple and fuss-free. The Dive-In Toner from Torridon is enriched with HA, working well for locking in that moisture. Quick tip, apply this on damp skin to boost absorption and keep hydration in for longer. When it comes to moisturizers, I don't usually mind a gel-based one. But come winter, all my cream-based ones come forward, because they have occlusives and rich textures that really help my dry skin. To deeply nourish the skin barrier and really get in there, I choose the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Hyaluronic Acid Nourishing Cream with ceramides, which is so great for my dry skin. This is a product I've been using for years now and I keep going back to it, even when I'm traveling to colder climates. Now I understand if you think that I might be done with the face, but the body care is still pending. And believe me when I tell you, body care is equally important, especially because winter dryness hits the arms and legs way faster. The Body Shop Shea Body Lotion is lightweight yet rich. It comes in a tube, making it easy to travel with as well. This dermatologically tested formula is a winner for dry skin. Your skin is going to drink this up and thank you for it. Last but definitely not the least, the L'Occitane Almond Supple Skin Oil, to load up and lock in all the moisture from my otherwise dry, flaky skin. With super ingredients like sunflower seed oil, vitamin E and almonds, this is the perfect final step to your winter skincare routine. And there you have it, the perfect list of products to get your skin through the winter months.
Exclusively available on Tira.
Wondering how to get your hands on them? I'm leaving the products linked for you down below. Happy shopping!